Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can enable or disable noise cancellation on your Huawei FreeLace Pro. So to do this, you have to select your earphones from the Huawei AI Live application. And you can do this in the two methods. The first one, you can do this straight in the application. So you can go between the awareness mode, noise cancellation, or just simply turn off both modes. When you go for the noise cancellation, you can also pick the mode of it. So we can go for the Cozy, General, or Ultra. And you can also do this by touching the sensor right here on the left earphone. So you have to grab it, then click and hold. And as you can see, we can successfully switch between the noise cancellation and the awareness mode by clicking and holding the left earphone. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.